What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to use Notion's new AI connectors. So we're going to go over to Notion and you want to go over to your team's workspace, which is usually located at the top left area. You want to click on it and then you want to locate settings. So the goal here is to get to settings. So click on settings and then on the left side panel under features, click on Notion AI. Then here at the top, you can see choose how you want to use AI features and manage AI connectors. So you can see general and AI connectors right here. Click on it. And here you can see your different AI connection options. Do take note that you need to upgrade to business for Notion in order to have an access to this. Basically, what you need to do once you're here is to click on one of the services which you have already. So of course, once you click on the Gmail, for example, you need to follow the instructions in Notion to start the connection. Do take note that you also need to keep Notion open during the process. You will be directed to the Notion AI for Gmail Google Marketplace app in the new tab. Of course, once this new tab is open, you can click on install. And once you do that, you're done. Your connection will be instant. If it's not, you might need to refresh your page to see the Gmail icon in the scope picker of Notion AI. In this case, because we're using with Gmail, Notion AI can read all email messages in your selected Google Workspace organizations. But of course, as we mentioned, you need to have an upgraded plan to the business to enjoy this service.